In this video, we will see how to empty cache and hard reload. Clearing the cache and hard reloading fixes certain problems like updating or formatting issues. Open Chrome and visit the page that you want to reload. Click on the address bar here. Now press F12. A new tab will open on portion of your screen or a new window. You do not have to do anything in this new tab. Sometimes you might have to use a combination from your keyboard depending on the design or layout of your keyboard. But usually directly pressing F12 works. Now for hard reload, press left click on the reload button for 2 seconds. Now you will see few options. Click on this to empty cache and hard reload. Now after few seconds you can close the extra tab that was opened.